In this video, we will show you how to apply for a refund in BSPLink.
First, log in to BSPLink. Click on Refund and select Refund Application. Then, click RA Issue. Under Airline Information, enter the airline code and airline name. For Hanair, this is 169 Han Airlines GmbH. The airline VAT number and contact details will be filled in automatically. The agent information and agent contact fields will also be pre-filled automatically. Next, enter the reason for the refund. State whether it is a voluntary or involuntary refund. Under RTDN issue date, enter the date of ticket issue. If you have received a waiver code from the Hanair service desk, please enter it under Waiver Code. If not, you can leave this field blank. In the field Airline, enter the Hanair 3-letter code 169. Under Document Number, enter the 10-digit ticket number. Indicate which coupons of the ticket should be refunded by checking the respective boxes. Enter the passenger name in the format first name, last name. Under Form of Payment, indicate the form of payment that was used to pay for the ticket, cash or credit card. Next, enter the gross fare amount of the ticket as well as every single tax with the respective tax designator. You can find all taxes on the ticket. Which taxes are refundable depends on the fare rules of the operating carrier. The system will automatically calculate the refundable amount. Enter this amount in the respective field under Form of Payment. If several forms of payment were used to pay for the ticket, for example in case of a reissue, enter all forms of payment and the corresponding refund amount. If you want to request a partial refund, tick the respective box and enter the amount of the used part of the ticket. A note about penalty fees. In our example, we have an involuntary refund, which does not require a penalty fee. However, in the case of a voluntary refund, a cancellation penalty may apply in accordance with the carrier's fare rules. In general, if you are unsure about the amounts of taxes and/or penalty fees, you can add a comment in the box Reasons for Refund, and we will complete the respective fields for you. Once you completed all fields, you're ready to issue your refund application. Click Issue. You can now attach files to your application. It is essential that you attach a copy of the entire PNR history. Otherwise, we are forced to reject the refund application. Click Issue. You can later always come back to your refund request and make changes or check the status of your application. You can make changes as long as it is still pending. You can always find your application under the respective refund number. Simply search for it by typing the number in the search field. Recap. Fill in all required fields. Enter taxes and penalty fees in accordance with the fare rules. If you are unsure, we can support you. Simply add a comment in the field Reason for Refund. Always attach the complete PNR history. Thank you for your support.